Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So I don't know if this is going to be its own video or if it's going to end up as a part of another video, but today I'm getting my hair dyed for the first time. I'm getting like a balayage kind of thing, and I'm excited and nervous because I've never gotten my hair dyed. It's just always been black. So let's see how it turns out. I have a picture. If I can, I'll insert the picture. So that is what I'm going for, and we'll see what I end up with.
Three hours later.
Hi guys, so what do you think? I just got out of the hair salon. That's how it looks. I like it so much. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Hi guys, so I'm back home and this is how my hair ended up looking. This is how it turned out. I'm really happy with it because it's something really subtle and it's my first time dyeing my hair. I had virgin hair and so yeah, I'm really happy with my results. The person who did my hair her name is Linda, and she was so nice, so professional, so understanding of what I wanted, because I was a little bit nervous that somebody was gonna mess it up, but she did really well. I really like how everything's blended in. I showed her the picture, and I also asked for a balayage kind of thing, so because I still wanted to keep my dark hair, I didn't want to go super light, and I did like it. I like how my ends are still dark. If you guys live here in Calgary and you want your hair done and you're really nervous about it that somebody's gonna mess it up, I really recommend Linda. She works at Shatters at the Marlborough Mall. And the one who recommended Linda to me was my friend Alejandra. She has a YouTube channel. I'll put it here. She told me that she had been doing her hair since she was like 14, 15 years old. So I was like, okay, I trust you, and I went for it, and I'm really happy with it now. It's good to change things up. So this is what it looks like from the front. And I'll show you the sides. Looks like this. That's what the back. Yes.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hi everyone, so it's actually a few days later, and I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked like when it was dry and just naturally straight, which is what my hair is. So right now it's just damp because I got out of the shower, and I'm going to blow dry it so you can see what the color actually looks like if you're really considering it, or if you're just interested in seeing what it turned out when, like what the color looks like, sorry, when my hair is actually in its natural form. So I'm gonna blow dry it and I'll show you guys. I finished blow drying my hair, and this is basically what it looks like when it's just straight. And like I said, I don't really like to wear my hair straight, so I left it just a tiny bit down so I can braid it, but I still wanted to show you guys. So this is what it looks like when it is dry. These are the sides of my hair, the other side, and then I'll show you the back. This is the back. I hope you can see it. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it wasn't too boring, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!